Nice! Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to make a PDF form that's super easy for anyone to fill out. Whether you're a teacher, business owner or just someone downloading a PDF file from the internet or Etsy, I've got you covered. By the end of this video you will be able to create forms that you or your customers can fill out easily. Well, let's get started. First you need to create your form or worksheet. I made this weekly planner in the free version of Canva. Once you have done designing, simply go to Share and click Download. Then choose PDF Standard and select the pages you want to save. Now head over to the website ETLY. This tool will help you make your PDF fillable. You don't need to sign up, just drag and drop your file into the website. You can add up 3 PDF files per month for free, and if you need more, you need to upgrade. Also, please note that your file will only be stored on the website for 24 hours and you can see that my file will be removed tomorrow at 11 o'clock. You will see that both pages are imported. Let's focus on page 1 first. Switch to the Form Creator mode and in the Form Creator you need to select the text field option. Simply click and drag the text fields in a position where you want it on the page. You can easily adjust the size and style of the field. You can place the fields one by one, or you can enable the pin button to perform this action more quickly. To select and add text to the blue field, first click Select and then click on the field. You can choose from 3 different fonts. You can also easily adjust the font size in various sizes and give the font a color. You can also make the text bold or italic or align it in the center. Feel free to choose what suits you best. Additionally, you can give the field a background color and adjust the border color with 3 different thickness options. When a customer of you or a client fills out the form, they will only see the background color of the field when they select it. Now I explain how to add checkboxes to my weekly planner, and this tool is also super handy. I want to fill in the 4 circles you see and simply select this checkbox field in the form creator and drag the field to a position where you want it on the page. You notice that the pin button is already selected because I changed the setting in the previous step and this program automatically saves that step. If you don't want this, you need to select the pin button again and then manually adjust the fields one by one. Okay, if you want to change the color or icon on the checkboxes, click on the Select button and then click on the blue field where your circle is. For example, I'm changing the first one to blue and keeping the checkmark icon. The second one I'm changing to red with a cross icon. And the third one I'm changing to pink with a circle icon. And the fourth one I'm changing to green with a star icon. After making these changes, click Select again and then click on the blue circles one by one to check if you are satisfied with it. In this way you can ensure everything looks good before your client or customer interacts with these fields. Besides these kind of tools, Docfly offers other useful features as well. So as you can see, I clicked on the highlighter tool and I can choose from various colors to highlight something. Now I'm going to explain another tool you can use for larger fields, such as those for notes. You need to click on Form Creator again and then select Paragraph Fields. Simply click and drag the paragraph field to where you want it on the page. You can easily adjust the size of the fields and change the font colors and size and align the text as needed. If you make the text very big, you notice that the box will remain in its original position that you set earlier. Alright, I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but if you make a mistake, you can easily correct it by clicking on the Undo option in the toolbar. I will do that now with this large text. On page 2, I want to introduce another tool to you, which is the drop-down field. Here you can create a drop-down menu for your clients. I choose to set up the days of the week because it is a weekly planner, but you can use this menu for other options as well. To customize the drop-down menu, select the right sidebar. Here you can also easily choose the background color and adjust the border color and thickness and customize the fonts of your drop-down menu. There's another tool, and that's very useful in certain forms, and that's the signature tool for your document. If you need to sign something important, you can easily use the signature field tool in this program. Additionally, there is a button labeled Required that you can toggle on and off. For example, if you want to ensure that your client must not skip this box, you can turn on this button and you will notice that the box turns red. In this way, your client knows that they must fill in this box, or else they won't be able to proceed the document. Of course, they have more helpful tools and I'd like to show you those as well. This tool was very handy for me when I was writing my thesis and needed to rearrange a page. If you click on Organize in the top left corner on the toolbar, you can select a page and rearrange it in a different order, or you can delete or rotate a page. You need to figure out what works best for you. Alright, let's get back to the editor. I'd like to introduce you to another tool that I find really handy, and that's the icons feature. You have a variety of icons to choose from, including hearts, smileys and more. These icons can add visual flair to your document and help convey your message in a fun and engaging way. In addition to icons, you can also add different shapes to your document, and these shapes can be used to highlight important information and create visual interest, or simply organize your content in a more structured manner. And another useful tool available in the editor is the ability to add links to your document. This allows you to create interactive content where clients can click on links to navigate to other pages or websites, providing them with additional resources or information related to your document. Okay, now let's talk about the last step, and that is saving your document. It's very simple. You might have already noticed, but this program saves automatically every time you make a change to your work. In the toolbar at the top left corner, next to Save, there's Export. You have to click on that and then you can choose where you want to save your work. I'll save it in my downloads and open it with the Preview app. I'm using a MacBook, so the system might look different if you're not using one. Additionally, my laptop is also set in my native language, Dutch, so I hope you understand that you need to click on this app. It's called Preview in English, and this app is for MacBook users, and it's a standard app but it's already on your MacBook. As you can see, everything I've applied is visible on the 2 pages. You can simply click on them, and where I haven't placed the text fields, those areas are not visible and won't function. On page 2 you can also see that the drop down menu works. You also notice the signature field on page 2. Well, this box works, but you need to choose where you want to sign, whether it's on DocFly or your laptop, because this feature is standard on MacBook, so I can choose where I want to sign the document. And lastly, underneath the orange box there is a link. You might not see it because I haven't given it a color, but if you hover your cursor over it, it works just fine. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.